PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 12th day of March. Beautiful weather. Headlines are forecast today. Let's take a peek out the window at the insane hour of 5 o'clock this morning. Daylight saving time. We'll begin with a look at the Selma sky cam. Awfully foggy out there in the Alabama River. In fact, you can barely see the Edmund Pettus Bridge, only a couple of blocks away from the sky cam. Here's a look at downtown Clanton coming from the sky cam in Chilton County. And from Birmingham, we're looking south from the top of the Daniel Building. Got a really nice day today. There is a little disturbance aloft coming through Louisiana, but that stays south of here and the air bone dry, so looks like a bright sunny day. Here's the expected rain around the country for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday evening. This is suggesting the heaviest amounts from Memphis up to near Boston. And the totals here about 1/2 inch, and that would be with storms that blow through Friday and Saturday. Convective outlook. There is a slight risk of severe weather tomorrow, Thursday, over parts of northeastern Texas, southeast Oklahoma, southwest Arkansas. And then on Friday, that risk expands to include all of Alabama, almost all of Mississippi, a large part of Tennessee. And then on the day 4 outlook, which is Saturday, again, much of North Alabama under a severe weather risk. And those 2 days bear pretty close watching, as the instability values are going to be awfully high. This is where we are today at noon. This is the OZGFS at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. There's that vortex south of Mobile, but again, no moisture, no rain. Beautiful weather today. Same deal tomorrow. I think we go up in the 70s tomorrow. And then Friday, this is where we'll begin to see some changes. We've got the vortex coming out of the Rockies, and at the surface, very unstable air spreads north up into Alabama. We've seen instability values on Friday over 1,000 joules on some models. But we'll certainly mention a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and there could be a few severe storms, even though that Lee low is still way back out over the Texas Panhandle. There's a forecast sounding, an interesting one there. This is valid midnight Friday night. How about a helicity there of over 1,000? Good grief. The positive area, pretty impressive. The Cape there, 513. Again, this is at midnight Friday night. And the energy helicity index is 3.0, very high. So conditions very unstable Friday and Friday night. And really the same deal on Saturday. That surface low is over the northeast part of the state at noon. And there's a look at the instabilities on Saturday. Surface-based Cape, and you can see down there over South Alabama and South Georgia, very high numbers. In fact, that bullseye down there over South Georgia is about 2,500 joules. So it might be that the better risk of severe weather Saturday could be shifting south and east to Birmingham by afternoon, but it still bears close watching. And then Sunday will break out into a beautiful day. Sunny, a little cooler, the system well onto the east. Monday of next week, look at that big trough out west. Tuesday, oh boy, that thing begins to get close and it goes negative tilt. And that looks like a severe weather deal. There's Tuesday of next week, surface low over southern Illinois. And that might be a Tuesday or Tuesday night deal, but that looks awfully rough, like we need any more of that. And then Wednesday, the trough deepens over the east and it turns pretty chilly. Not as cold as we've seen in recent runs, but Wednesday should be a colder day for sure. And then Thursday of next week, first day of spring, the vernal equinox. Of course, we consider meteorological spring going on right now, but that looks like a nice day. And quickly, one peek, jump to the end of the cycle. Big trough out west and another big storm coming at us, and you get the idea. The weather stays active and changeable for the rest of March. But this is March, and that's what we expect this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today, and of course we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.